Leader in innovative high-performance solutions for the installation of tile and stone, introduces new PermaColor Select Grout. PermaColor Select Grout is a paradigm shift in both grout performance and in the business logistics aspect of grout. Offering the industry's first dispersible dry pigment solution, PermaColor Select separates the colored pigment from the highly engineered PermaColor Select Grout base. Now you and your customers can select your size, select your color, and eliminate excess inventory cost, inventory space, and hassle traditionally associated with grout. PermaColor Select is an advanced high-performance cement grout designed for virtually all types of residential and commercial installations and offers optimum performance on the most demanding exterior or interior applications. Easy to mix, grout, and clean, PermaColor Select is fast-setting and is suitable for joints 1/16 of an inch to 1/2 inch wide on floors or walls. Here's how PermaColor Select works. PermaColor Select Grout is available in either a 25-pound or 12.5-pound bag base, which excludes any color pigment in the bag. Think of it as a neutral base ready to accept pigment. All 40 LATICRETE colors, plus top-selling competitive colors, are offered in color kits, shown here. Add the recommended amount of water into a clean bucket per the size bag selected. Each color kit contains 2 color packets. Simply drop into the water 2 color packets for one 25-pound bag or 1 color packet for one 12.5-pound bag. The color packet will dissolve in seconds. Then simply stir with a margin trowel to fully disperse. Finally, add the PermaColor Select base and mix. Just remember, 2 for a 25 and 1 for a 12.5. Until now, innovations in grout have only been with the actual product itself. PermaColor Select offers industry-leading performance, but is also the first to innovate the business and logistics of grout for you and your customers. The true paradigm shift PermaColor Select offers is how grout is ordered, inventoried, and sold. LATICRETE PermaColor Select Grout offers the best performance available and will improve your business operations. For complete installation instructions and further information, please visit www.laticrete.com.